today I'm just coming on to do a quick little mini haul, crystal haul. I got some goodies from experimentalforestco. You can find them on Instagram. It's actually a family-owned shop. He does all his mining and stuff himself. You can like see him digging and everything. It's so cool. I actually ordered 2 pieces and he sent me an extra little bonus package. Very nice of him. I've ordered from him before. I got crystal points from him before, like little clear quartz, like for gridding and stuff. So yeah, really good quality, good energy crystals. Oh wow, I don't even know what this is. It's so pretty. Excuse me if you hear the baby in the background. He's in this little jumper. Look at how pretty that is. I will actually tag it with the name. I'll like do a little description with the name up here, but it's so pretty. Look at it. Because I remember seeing some of these on his Instagram, but I never paid attention to what the name was. This one. These are the ones he actually sent me as a gift. Let's see. Oh wow, this is, I've seen this on his page as well. This is like wave light, I think it's called. Look at how pretty that is. It's like druzy. You can see it? So pretty. Oh, that's nice. That's so pretty. Look at illustrations. I love crystals with like details. A lot of people like the crystal clear crystals, which are cute, but I like them to have details and everything with the rainbow up here. So pretty. This one, oh, nice clear quartz point. I don't know how well the camera is focusing. So pretty. And these are the 2 that I actually ordered. Mr. Max. Yeah, Bubba. Oh, wow. Oh, you get a little note in there. Look at this point. I am obsessed with, like, points and clusters. Look at how pretty. Good, Mr. Max. I think he likes it too. Look at how clear. That's one of the clearer ones, but look at how beautiful. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, wow. He put the name of it in there for me. Very lovely. Look at it, you guys. Like, it's weird. In the past, I haven't even decorated my house with crystals. I kind of just kept them in their own spot, and now I'm kind of getting into like using them as like home decor and stuff. Oh, so great. This one is so great. When I saw this, like, you ever see something and you know you have to have it? Look at the rainbow inside. This is actually, I forget what it's called. It's like adularia or something. It means moonstone. It has like moonstone phantoms in it. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. I love it. Anyway, you guys should definitely go check his page out. It's experimentalforestco on Instagram. He does all of it himself. Very nice. This is the second time I ordered from him, like I said before, and everything arrives quick, and all his prices like include shipping and stuff, so you don't have to worry about adding on additional money. Look at how beautiful that is. So pretty. And the weird thing about decorating my house with crystals now is like when people come over with their kids, I'm like, even like my kids know not to touch, but other people I'm like, no, don't bring your kids, they're gonna mess up my stuff. But I keep them up pretty high, but still. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!